Hi, I'm Kevin Press with Boniface Hiers Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the Dodge Challenger 2023 Black Ghost Special Edition. One of the coolest and most iconic parts of this car is the black gator skin roof. It's very unique, and it's something you're not going to see on other Challengers out there on the street. The Black Ghost is a blacked out car with just the right amount of chrome to show that it means business. You're going to get things like the fuel door, hood pins, badging on the front, the rear, the sides, and chrome trim inside and around the outside of the vehicle that are really going to give it a nice touch of class and show that power off. The designers started out with your standard run-of-the-mill SRT Hellcat Red Eye, complete with the wide body kit, allowing those 11-inch wheels and nearly 12 inches of tire to fit underneath, giving you a proper contact patch to get that power down to the ground. I hope you enjoyed the 2023 Black Ghost as much as I did. To see other videos just like this, subscribe to our channel, and to see this car, come visit us at Boniface Hiers Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida.